Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your device is unlocked and online. This keeps account pages from timing out. Once done, sign into your Apple ID if the device shows a sign and prompt. Now open Settings and tap your name at the top to access Apple ID details. This screen is the control center for your account. Make sure you can see your name, photo, and basic account sections before moving to the next step. You should now view the account overview. Tap name, phone, email to see the email that serves as your Apple ID. If you need a numeric Apple ID used by some services, open the App Store, tap your profile, then tap your name to view account settings where an ID number may appear. Alternatively, make sure to sign into Appleid. Apple.com with the same email to reveal more identifiers. These steps explain why email versus numeric ID appear in different places. You finish by recording the Apple ID email or capturing a screenshot of the account page so you have the identifier saved. If the details don't show, sign out of settings and sign back in or restart the device. This often refreshes account data. If you can't access the registered email or forgot the password, use the account recovery process at Appleid. Apple.com to regain access. 1.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.